Here's some real estate and lifestyle tips on decluttering for a new year, new you. For some people, letting go of clutter is easy, but for other people, it's challenging. Before you begin decluttering, it's often helpful to understand why you're holding on to clutter in the first place. Thinking about how much you spent on an item can often make it hard to let it go. You may somehow either think that it's still valuable or that it just feels too painful to pass it along because it was expensive. Also, when you have strong emotional attachments to your things, the idea of letting go can often feel daunting. You may feel overwhelmed by what you own, but at the same time reluctant to let go of the items that represent so many dear memories. You may fear that you'll regret letting things go because you may want or need them someday. And the thought that you might want it later often keeps people hanging on to excess that they don't need. And then sometimes when there's just so much stuff, it creates such a feeling of overwhelm, which for some people becomes paralyzing, so that no progress can be made. Make your home feel intentional. You can overcome the reasons that you've been holding on to clutter and make really big changes in your home. Watch my series. I'm here to help.